This is how I'm gonna be dressed for today's YouTube comments. Boy, I know I'm gonna get dragged. Because I know I already am on one of the forums that I never should have joined. But I can take anything y'all throw at me. Anything. And maybe all I needed was a couple people to tell me I can't do it. And maybe I can. So, you know what I'm saying? I'll just get into it. I have a couple time lapses to show you guys. A couple, just clips of me just telling y'all what's going on. And really, it's a terrible video. It really is. My enthusiasm's not there. Um, yeah, I'm just a bum in this video. So please excuse that. Also, I know what's coming. Why would you even lay a finger on this? Why would you even try to work on this? Hey, bro, I wanted to challenge myself and see what I could do. So, anyway, hopefully y'all are positive and want to see this build hopefully happen in the future. There's some things that y'all don't know that will come to light soon on my second video. So, just enjoy this one. The second one will be much better. Thank you. So I guess I just bought a boat. Don't know much about it. It's a Sea Ray. It's 18 feet. It's got an Oldsmobile. It's got the Berkeley Jet on it. And I'm sitting here and I don't know what to do. Never owned a boat. I'm just cleaning it out for now. But I'm looking for Oldsmobile experts, and I'm looking for some marine experts. Anybody own a Sea Ray, or is that a good brand or whatever? But anyway, gotta take this wood out. Gotta take the floor up. Hopefully make it better. Hopefully it even floats. So, yeah. Anybody know anything about this or can help us? Because we don't know the first thing. So, probably gonna redo it with wood. But if anybody has any recommendations, yeah, I'm gonna just clean it up for now. So there's a bunch of trash, and we're doing work to something that we don't even know it runs or don't know if it floats. So it's kind of fun. We're taking some of the wood out. Yeah, getting it cleaned up. Hopefully, just hook a battery to it and it'll crank over. So yet to find out. just counting on this thing for it to run, and then I guess we have a project. So anyway, hopefully y'all just been enjoying the time lapses. It's like hours for me, but it's a couple seconds for y'all. Anyway, yeah. Let me know in the comments if you have a boat or you want one, cause man, this shit is a lot of work, man. But hopefully we can actually get it cleaned up more. And there's a bunch of sludge, as you can see. So I figured get this thing actually properly cleaned up, and hopefully it'll be a better looking thing to, I guess, better thing to look at. But yeah. But I'm voting for this thing to, well, I'm voting for getting this thing really cleaned up. I'm just vacuuming and stuff right now, but actually getting it maybe wire wheeled or whatever, fuck, sand brushed. Anyway, yeah, that's what I'm working on. Hopefully y'all just enjoying watching me clean this fucking thing. Alright, so I got bored of the cleaning stuff and I jumped the gun on the engine. Just pulled one of the spark plugs and
it's rusty up here, but
looks kind of bad. But
I think this is from being outside, because this is the part that matters. So I think
so. There you go. So,
let's try to.
I wonder if it could just run, start up right now. So I guess we're gonna hook a battery to it and see what happens. So once again, I'm gonna apologize for the audio. I know it was bad. I watched the whole exact video that y'all did. If you made it to here, thank you. What you're seeing right now is a slideshow of essentially everything I saw from the auction that I bought it from. I seen somebody say, hey, you bought a free boat, never buy a free boat. Hey, I guess I did, and you know, I'm reaping the rewards of that. But at the end of the day, I love a project. Me and my dad love that shit. Excuse me for cursing if I ever did in the video. But anyway, if this doesn't work out, I got a V8 and I got a Berkeley jet to sell. And anybody who didn't really like the idea of me doing this, hey, I at least made my money back. So at the end of the day, I got a video out of it. I got some parts and I got an experience out of it. And maybe I just moved down to a new boat, a new road. But hopefully that's not the case. Hopefully I can have a great restoration project with me and my dad. Hopefully it can turn out to be something hopefully y'all can share as well. I'm posting this for a reason. I hope I can share it with y'all, whether you own a boat, whether you don't. And hey man, whatever y'all want to see next, hopefully you guys can comment it down below, like the video if you did. And hey, I'll see y'all next time, because there's going to be a next time on this boat, I promise you. So I apologize for any issues with this video. It will get sorted out next video. There will be a next video. Tune in for that.